Hey up everybody, right? Fish and chip time. So we're in Chapel St Leonards near Skegness and Inglemells, and we're going to try some fish and chips out here today. So we're actually at the Plaice on the park. Yeah, so this has just been taken over. Looks really clean and tidy from the outside. They've done a really good job. I can see this is going to be absolutely packed jam solid in the summer. So we're in the winter at the moment. It's freezing cold. So it's right next to the Cherry Park Caravan Park. And a little bit further down there, I don't know if you see, is the Golden Palms Resort. So yeah, you're not too far away from everywhere. So this is going to be busy, I know it is. So like I say, it's just been taken over. We're going to go in, try the fish and chips, see what they're like, and I'm going to tell you guys what they're like, and I'm going to show you as well. Right, come on, let's go and get some fish and chips. Come on, guys. Right, so they've actually got a few tables in here as well, tables and chairs, and you can actually sit outside as well. So you come in, order your food, and I think I don't know if they shout you or you actually go to get it yourself, but tell you what, it's really nice in here. Lovely and warm though, because it's freezing out there. But yeah, in the summer, it's going to be really busy out there. Like I just said to you, close to Golden Palms Resort and the Cherry Caravan Park next door, I think that's what it was. But yeah, really nice place. And there's a few more places next door as well. I think there's another cafe next door as well. Anyway, I'm going to have cod and chips. I know I am going to have cod and chips, so I'm just going to show you the menu. So what I'll do, will scan the menu for you just to show you the prices on what they actually do. Yeah, so I'll show you that in a minute. You can see actually on the wall as well what I showed you a little when I first come in. So the large fish and chips is actually £10.80 with any side, which is really good as well. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to this. So they do homemade chili, chips and chips only, £5.90. What else we've got? We've got like family deals as well. So there's quite a lot of family deals. So you've got family deal 1, 2 large fish, 2 mini fish, 2 large chips, 2 sides for £29.90. And then yeah, all different deals and that. But like I say, I'll show you all this, and you'll be able to see it. Right, I'm looking forward to these fish and chips because I'm starving. Right, I'm going to get them. I'm going to show you what they're like.
Fresh cod.
Wow, that looks good. Sauces, yeah?
Right, we've got homemade tartar sauce.
Yeah.
We've got homemade hot cheese sauce.
Wow.
We've got gravy.
So look at this.
Sauce.
Gravy, curry sauce. How am I going to eat all this?
And mushy peas and they're not tinned.
Oh, mushy peas and they're not tinned as well. And they look a nice colour. They don't look a horrible fluorescent colour like some places do. Some places look really, but check those out, yeah?
Check them out.
They're really good. So this is what?
That's the tartar sauce.
Tartar sauce.
Yeah, and that's the hot cheese sauce.
Hot cheese sauce. I've never tried hot cheese sauce before.
Beautiful.
Right.
Absolutely beautiful.
Great stuff. Right, guys. Looks lovely. So up to now, really nice. I'm just going to...
suggestion box.
Yeah, a suggestion box.
box.
Yeah.
And the ideas box.
Yeah, and also you've got a, I noticed is the purchase loyalty card.
Yeah.
So tell me all about your...
£5 loyalty card.
Yeah.
It lasts for a full year.
Wow.
And it gives you 10% off every transaction.
Did you hear that, guys?
Except promotions, of course.
Yeah.
Throughout the year, we're going to do promotions as well.
Yeah, you're open all year round as well.
Absolutely. See if we can squeeze in the glove.
Yeah, I reckon they're gonna be mega busy.
Yeah,
you are.
let's hope so.
Yeah. So you're in the right place as well, aren't
My
you?
2 boys to help as well.
Good stuff.
When they're not sailing. Yeah.
Right.
And I've got a friar who comes to help us.
Yeah, good stuff.
My other half, he retires in March and he thinks he's getting away with it. He's not. He's going to be doing a little bit.
That's magic. Thank you so much. I'm looking forward to this. So guys, take a look at that. Hey, doesn't that look good? Wow. Right. So we've got the little of a knife and fork. Get into them. So it is a takeaway as well. So you can sit in, or you can sit outside, or you can take them away. So do you do Uber Eats or anything?
No,
Not at the moment.
We'll be looking at it near the end of the season.
Yeah, right.
We're cooking beef dripping.
Beef dripping.
We've also got a pan just for vegetarian.
Oh, that's really good, yeah.
A gluten-free area.
Gluten-free as well, guys. That's really good because there's not a lot of places now doing gluten-free.
Yeah.
Trawlers Catch don't do gluten-free no more. Yeah, so these guys.
Sausages, burgers, chicken burgers.
Wow.
Chicken nuggets, batter.
Yeah, I don't know if you heard the lady there, but she actually does gluten-free food as well. So if you need gluten-free stuff.
Obviously, it's 20-minute wait for Friday to eat, but we can't be bubbling away all the time.
But that is really good.
Anything anybody wants, we'll give it a go.
Good stuff.
Yeah.
So the catering for everybody, vegetarians, gluten-free. You know, they've got special dietary stuff as well. So yeah, you've just got to ask them if you need anything special. Sounds like they're going to do it. But check out all this. Okay. Right, let me just show you what it looks like before I tuck in. Right then guys, so we've got the fish and chips. So it's really busy, everybody's coming in. So I've got a lot of the workers that's actually doing the work on the caravan sites and stuff. They actually come in here for their dinners. Yeah, just check it out, let's give it a try. So let's get some salt and vinegar on it. Oh, my fish has just dropped off. Right, check the fish out. Let's give it a try. Very good. Tastes really fresh as well. This fish does. Batter's nice and crispy as well. Check the chips out. They're good as well. Nice and fluffy. Wow. Right, so I've got mushy peas, gravy, curry sauce, warm melted cheese, I think you said, I'm sure. Oh. So what I'll do, give them all a try. See what they're all like. So I'm interested in what this actually tastes like. Wow, that is really good. It's nice, this is. Should dip a chip in it, shouldn't I? Let's dip a chip in. That is really nice. Try the curry sauce. So So the curry sauce is nice and thick as well. It's not like runny and, you know, all messy, but that is good. That is very good as well. And then we've got the gravy. Check out the gravy. Wow. Even the gravy's nice. The gravy tastes like what my mum used to make years ago. Mushy peas. So they're not fluorescent like a lot of places. They look proper mushy peas, these do. I think she said they're homemade mushy peas. She does them herself. Yeah, definitely. Tastes good. Tastes really fresh. Don't taste tinned at all. Really good. And then we've got the tartar sauce. That is good as well. You know, sometimes tartar sauce can be a bit tangy. That ain't tangy at all. As soon as you put it in your mouth, you can taste it. Really good. Wow. Right, guys, leave me to tuck in, and we'll have a chat at the end. And I'll tell you what it was like. I'm not going to give it a mark out of 10. I don't do that anymore. I'll just tell you my opinion on how I thought it was, and if I enjoyed it or not. But the way it looks at the moment, I'm going to enjoy this. Right, leave me to tuck in. So guys, I can't finish it all. I say this every time. I may got a big belly, but I don't eat loads of food. And everybody reckons I have fish and chips every day and full English breakfast. No, I don't. Just the weekend probably, but yeah, I've had a few just lately though, haven't I though? So check out the other videos if you've not seen them yet, of the other fish and chip shops I actually do in Skegness. And also tomorrow, it's Friday today, tomorrow, the 8th, I'm going to be doing bagel blinders. I did a video last summer, but I'm going back there tomorrow because they're having a relaunch of their restaurant, and I'm actually going to be cutting the ribbon, believe it or not. But this, talk about this now, this was amazing. Chips really good, fish is well cooked as well, crispy batter, all these side dishes as well, the curry, beautiful, the mushy peas, they was good as well, even the gravy. It all tastes like homemade. It doesn't taste like it's come out of a tin like some places do. It tastes really, really good. So I'm going to give you my opinion. I'm not going to give it a mark. I'll give you my opinion. This is really good. So if you're actually staying in Chapel St Leonards on a holiday, you need to visit this place and come and grab some fish and chips. You'll probably end up coming here every night once you've tasted them because they are so good. I mean, they don't just do fish and chips, they do other stuff as well. But yeah, I'd definitely pay them a visit. I'll definitely be popping back one day and grabbing some fish and chips while I'm passing through because they're really good. Nice, clean, tidy place. The lady here that owns the place, she is really good. She's really kind and friendly. So yeah, really nice place. Really recommend it. So that was amazing, loved it.
Well, brilliant.
Yeah, I recommend everybody coming here for their fish and chips and everything else you actually do.
Thank you.
Because it is really nice. So yeah, credit to you. Yeah,
We're in for a bumper season.
So you've only just opened, haven't you? So how long have you been open?
We opened last Saturday.
Last Saturday?
Promotion.
Wow, last Saturday.
And we did 457 fish.
Wow, that's good.
Just last Saturday.
Yeah. And today, while I've been sat here, you've been so busy as well.
Yeah, we're
So
steady away.
you're getting a lot of the
season yet.
yeah. But
all the people that's coming in at the moment, they're all locals.
Yeah, and a lot of the workers as well are coming as well.
We have to depend on them in winter, so
yeah.
we need to look after them.
Yeah, so you're open every day of the week, yeah?
Every day of the week.
Every day of the week, dinner times and night time as well.
11:30 until 7 p.m. at the moment.
Yeah.
And then it can be 11:30 until 11:30.
They'll be all coming out of the pubs and be all queuing up outside now, won't they? Yeah? They'll all be coming out of Golden Palms and coming down here, won't they? Yeah, because this is going to be the best fish and chip shop in Chapel St Leonards. Yeah, right. Nice to meet you, and it was beautiful, and I'll be popping in to see you again. And let's get everybody else in. Thank you so much. Great stuff. Thank you. Thank you. Well, guys, really enjoyed that. Really, really good. Ain't she nice in there, eh? Really nice. So she actually owns the business. She's got a couple of sons as well. She says it's going to help her out. God, it's a bit fresh though. I think it was February the 7th today. Not raining, but it is a little bit cold. But I've really enjoyed my fish and chips in there today. Really, really good. So if you're ever in Chapel St Leonards or even Inglemells or Trunch Lane, Anchor Lane, you're not too far away from this place. The main old village of Chapel St Leonards is just round the corner there. So if you're not sure on where we are, but what I'll do a Google Earth showing you where it is exactly, so you know where it is. But you can't miss it if you come past. When you come past, see the big Golden Palm sign there. You can just see it on the corner. But yeah, we've got the pantry one side, Cherry Park just at the back there. And I can't see what that says, but yeah, really nice. And it's going to be really busy in the summer. So you want to get down here early to get your fish and chips. And like I said, she's open all year round as well. So if you fancy coming for a ride out on a Saturday or a Sunday and you fancy some fish and chips, I think you come here, yeah? Right. I'm going to get off now. Enough of the waffling. I need to do a bit of exercise though, because I am absolutely bloated up. Right, so before we go, if you haven't done already, you know I'm going to say, please, 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 hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and don't forget to give me that thumbs up. That thumbs up really helps me. Right, I'm off on my next adventure. Don't know what I'm going to be doing next, but I'm going to be doing loads. We'll see you all soon, and we'll see you in the next one. See you all later, guys.
Neil R, a traveller bold and free, from the heart of Northumberland to the sea, exploring Skegness, the seaside breeze, from Lincolnshire's